Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to learn how I can see those posts or reels that I've liked. So there are two options by now. I can save that post or reel with that button I'm clicking on right now. And now you can go to your profile, clicking on the image, and now the three lines on top of your screen, and saved. It has the same symbol. There you can see all those posts or reels that you have saved by now. And you also can create new folders to separate your content. So if you want to know what you have liked by now, you can go to your profile again and click on the three lines on top of your screen and now getting your activity. This is the fourth option, your activity. And here you can watch a lot of menus, maybe the time you have spent in the app or the photos or videos. And the third one, interactions, review and delete likes, comments, and your other interactions. So here I have the likes. If I click on it, I'm gonna see all the posts and reels that I've liked by now. I also can see the comments, the story replies, reviews, and also the content that I'm not interested. And that's the way how you can see the content that you have liked by now.